It's a 2007 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, auxiliary audio input, manual telescoping steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, AM/FM stereo radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power windows, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Consumer Guide explains it's not the most powerful compact SUV, but CR-V excels for its just right blend of comfort, refinement, and cargo versatility. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.